Hey guys, and welcome back into the Benniebarrefitness Pilates studio. Today I'm demonstrating the airplane exercise on the Pilates Springboard. So this is one that you'll see typically done on the Cadillac, and you can either perform airplane with your feet and straps and your legs together like I'm showing here, or there actually is a specific airplane board that your feet go on and then it keeps your legs separated during this exercise. This exercise is an example of levitation, where we're kind of levitating off the mat, so it's a little bit more advanced in nature. We're also rolling over, as you can see, so this is one where you bring the weight into the shoulder blades, and this just engages the entire body. An airplane can be really fun. There's also a variation of airplane that you may have seen me do on my channel before, where you have your knees over top of the rollback bar, but this is one that you'd typically see performed on the Cadillac that is so easy to translate onto the springboard with the feet in straps as we roll back and forth in airplane in both directions. The springboard apparatus is so versatile. You can take exercises from the Cadillac, from the Reformer, from the Mat, from other various apparatuses and apply them on the springboard. And of course, there are exercises that are unique to the springboard that you can do here as well. If you are interested in learning more about the Pilates Springboard, whether you have one at home or you're planning investing in one, and you want to sign up for all my online classes, you can find them all on Patreon. I have so much variety, and this is my most popular tier. Springboard is truly my superpower. You can find more Pilates Springboard right here on YouTube, as well as Mat Pilates, Reformer, other apparatus, and Barre. If you haven't subscribed yet, consider doing so and hit the notification bell so you don't miss a single video.